Hello. In this video, I will explaining Lab 7, uh, um, Lab 7 programs apps. The first one is the puzzle, which I made from the book, and this is my code. I really learned a lot from the random class. This application was fun for me to work with. Uh, also like set up the view uh, programmatically as we use in other applications with previous applications. So this is the code, and this is the application, and it runs randomly uh, every time I run it. So I love mobile using Java. I can just play around with it, changing colors. So that was my first application. My second application, which is it was really fun, were the bee and the finger. And what drove me crazy for like a lot of time is declaring the new flower, because it was crashing every time. It was re-crashing, and I didn't think it will be this line here, or that I need to do to make the application work. I have checked the Android manifest, then I realized it doesn't have to do anything with that. Then I followed the instructions of debugging and walk through the application and know where to focus, especially with the logic cat, and how to understand where is the problem and figure out where is that, and that was super helpful. So let's start with this application. So this is my application. The bee finds finger. When I press, it will move. It was really fun to me to work with that application. I've learned a couple of things. So that's my lab. Thank you a lot, and I'll see you in the next lab.